On this day, 9 years ago, my husband and I stood before God and vowed to spend forever together. And I think that's about to happen. Forever we say, baby. Hi, babes. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. And that's how we're gonna start today's vlog. Today is our anniversary, our wedding anniversary today. Today is 9 years since we took that leap of faith. We took those vows. I cried. I smiled. I laughed. It was one of the best days of my life until this day. A day I'll never forget. Surrounded by my closest and dearest family and friends. Though babe family wasn't there at our wedding because our wedding was planned rapid and they weren't able to come to our wedding and stuff like that. Yeah, so today we celebrate 9 years, and today I stayed home with the kids. It's a no school day for them. You can hear them in the background so noisy. Guys, tone down a bit. Mama is talking to the faves. That happened 9 years ago, and life has been a journey. When it was just babe and I, we struggled, we cried, we laughed, we made our plans, we stick to our plans. Our plans came through. We've seen growth over the 9 years. We've seen more love over the 9 years. We've seen many laughter over the 9 years. The good thing is there were more laughter than tears, and some of those tears were mostly happy tears than sad tears. There were quite a few sad tears, but that's life, right? So baby's at work. I stayed home today with the kids, and I cleaned my entire house. My house is fresh and feeling brand new. Feel like a new year that we're stepping into our marriage with a brand new clean house. And today was also a good day because I gave away so many things today. I gave away all the things that Sarah had while she was a baby, all the big items like the crib and the bassinet and the change table. I put out a note on the Facebook group within my region, and I got like 6 different requests wanting it, and the one person who got it came for it today, so that was good. I no longer have to pack them up out on my veranda or my balcony for somebody to get them, so that was good. That was a good day. So now we are heading out to a restaurant for dinner. That's all I wanted to do today because baby's at work, so I didn't want to meet for lunch. I rather to do dinner. So our plan was to stay home and order in dinner today because today is a semi-final of France between Morocco, so we wanted to stay home from that. The excitement that will be on the road from both teams because a lot of Moroccans live in our city, so the road will be full either way. So yesterday babe said, okay, we're not gonna stay home, let's go out. So y'all may or may not know, I love sushi, so we're going to a sushi restaurant that is just beside home, where we don't have to venture into the city. Just 10 minutes, if so much, probably 5 minutes drive literally from home. So babe said, okay, let's just go and sit and enjoy whatever time we reach home. For the match we reach home, maybe there's a TV there, I don't know, but the most important thing is we're gonna spend time and just reflect while we're at the restaurant. So you guys are gonna come along and get ready with me while I also get the kids ready. It is now some minutes to 5. We have reservation for 7, and you guys know that Mel don't like to rush, so we are going to start getting ready right now. But before, I just want to leave a quick little message for my husband if he ever watches this video, which he really watches the vlog, but if he watches this, honey, I just want to tell you that you have been the best husband I could ask for. You have been a dream come true. You have been my rock. You have been my motivation. You have been everything that I needed in a husband. And for those past 9 years, I wouldn't trade them for the world. I would do them over with you again. I love you so much. I'm looking forward to the Big 10 next year, and I'm looking forward to forever with you. I love you, my shy, funny, smart, handsome, fine husband. Anyway, you guys, enough of my talks on love. I'm now gonna get my kids dressed and get myself dressed. So let's go get dressed, shall we? Who first? Tyler, you're up.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
We finally got to the restaurant. It's very beautiful inside. Hi, babe. Hi, Ty. Hi, Ty. Sarah. Sarah, say hello to Papa. Menu. You wanna see it? Hello.
Tu veux dire quoi avec ça?
Mais c'est où que tu as vu ton riz de nature?
What's it? Some of the appetizers. This salmon. Not salmon, it's tuna. Blend with some really good flavors. I have my juice going on here. That tastes so good. You're dreaming. Alright, here goes the appetizers. Don't touch, don't touch, don't touch. Tyler's trying the samosa, baby's trying the apitaki, which is the chicken, and I'll try the names. Since everybody's trying something new, Sarah is trying the same thing as babe.
Not me. C'est pour la classe. Pedal. Which one?
Here's your spoon.
We have this one. Je me rappelle déjà joyeux Noël.
You guys came back from dinner. Dinner was so good. Everybody is full. We overate. Turn on the TV. We overate. We ate so much food. And to come home right in time for the second half of the football match. And France won. Finals, we say. Yeah, you. France against Argentina. That'll be a game. What say you, husband?
Let's wait on Sunday. Big game on Sunday.
But Morocco should still be proud of themselves. It's the first, this history, no? It's the first they're reaching this far, I think.
It's the first African country reach that far.
They should be proud. So they'll be playing for bronze, right?
Yeah, against Croatia Saturday.
Ah, Morocco should be proud. Very, very proud, Morocco. Very, very proud.
Yeah, you can be sure that whenever they will go back home, they will celebrate
Oh
the
yeah,
team.
oh
like,
yeah, they should be proud.
if they
They should
won.
be proud.
They will celebrate the
They
team
should
like
be
if
proud.
they are winner.
Anyway, you guys, I am tired and I think I have some work to finish up. I don't think I'm gonna touch that tonight, but I have a little gift for my husband for his anniversary. So, tan tan tan, I can't see you. Let me see if I can catch you. Where is he? You ready for your anniversary gift, Bo?
Oh, you want the gift? Okay, close your eyes.
Oh, you're giving me gift?
Yeah, I'm gonna give you
Okay,
the
he
gift.
said he's gonna give me a gift.
Close your eyes. Close
Okay.
your eyes.
Eyes closed.
Close your eyes. Ta. You know what that?
A Playmobil. I don't know Playmobil.
Oh, you don't play Playmobil?
It's for Tyler. Babe. Is you play too much?
Kenzo, you're gonna work with this, Kenzo, for me?
Okay. You see him play? You see him play? So I'm to just stay here like this, or you want my gift?
No, I'm gonna give you another gift.
You're too funny. I should close my eyes?
Close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes. Ah, this is so big. No, this is very little. Close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes. Close your eyes. And this is for you. So I want you to take care of yourself and doing some balneo, some nice
That's a foot spa?
massage, yes. So you can enjoy it, doing something tomorrow, relaxing, and then you just come and say, hey baby.
Wow, babe, this one looks nice.
Say, hey baby, my foot is in the water and I'm having some massage on my foot. You can do that tomorrow.
Babe, this one looks lit.
Try to get some things that you deserve.
God. So if I get this for anniversary, what I'm getting for Christmas?
Nothing. It's like a Christmas in advance.
No. We don't do that. But thank you. Oh, I love it.
That's
thank
for you.
It look. Oh my god, baby.
Yeah.
It looks good.
Yeah, 500 euro.
So you guys, in real and in truth, it's not me buy it for him, I buy it for himself, because you guys know that Babe love a good foot rub and a good foot massage. So he buy it for himself. Look at him.
It's anniversary. It's supposed to be for you and I. It's together gift.
Alright, I have a gift for you. Stay right there.
You don't give me the gift. This is a gift first. So.
No, stay right there. Don't move.
Oh, she put it under the pillow. Oh.
Happy anniversary.
What can it be?
Babe, tear up the paper. You're not gonna reuse.
What can it be? It looks like a book. Am I wrong? No, it is not a book. It looks like a chocolate box, but it's not a chocolate box. It's a book. I wanted that book. So she took it and she asked me which one of them you prefer and all of this. And she gets me the one I want. That's a book, guys. I wanted that book. I'm not a book reader, but hopefully I can go in this book and just continue reading until I finish that book. That was my wish, and I'm very happy to get that book. Thank you, my dear love.
You're welcome.
Mwah. I have some things to do tonight, so I'll see you tomorrow.
Come listen to the vlog. I love my spa. Thanks, babe. I love it. Anyway, you guys, 9 years. When I post this vlog, you need to go and watch it because I'll leave a nice little message on there for you.
Okay. Okay, you're gonna let me know and I will.
Alright.
I love my wife, 9 years, and I won't say it feels like 1 year because I'm older now. I'm more wise, but I love her like if it's the first day. So
Oh, I love you too.
yeah, I'm happy to share that journey with you and to have you beside me.
I wouldn't want to do this with anyone else.
So I see you 9 more years.
Only 9 more?
I see you 9 years, and then after, let's see what's after you. More years.
Anyway, you guys, give this video a thumbs up.
Thumbs
comment
up.
down
It's
below.
already up.
Subscribe if you're new. Catch up and keep up with the fam now. And we'll see you guys in 9 more years.
9 years.
Tomorrow. You guys, let me give you a close-up of my spa. Look at the massage thing in the bottom. Hey, my husband researched a good spider. Yes, this was my wish too. But I thought I was gonna get it for Christmas. I was surprised I'm getting this for anniversary. But I'll appreciate it. Thank you, babe.